Okay.
Oh.
He just stared.
Camira, here.
Okay.
Come and open yours and read. Read it.
My mommy is having
No way.
Yes.
Look in the bottom.
My mom
Did you
is
get the
having
little
a
stick
baby.
out?
My mom
Oh,
is having
wow.
a baby.
Wow.
My mom is having another baby.
What does it say on the back?
Oh
On your
my
balloon.
goodness, Greg.
Big sister. Yes! Yes! I'm a big sister.
Oh my goodness.
Mama, I'm a big sister.
Oh, wow. How long have you known?
Since Monday.
I'm about to fall. Congratulations.
Yes.
Whoa.
How do you feel?
Like, extremely elevated.
Oh my God.
Are you excited?
I am excited. I'm really excited.
She's about to cry.
Because I'm a big sister.
And then Quiz gonna cry. And
I
then
got pacifiers. That's why I looked at you. And what is yours?
It's the thing. That's what I was
You got
looking
a fourth person.
Yeah.
and it says baby on it. Show it to the camera. That's what he got
Show mine.
for Christmas. Yay.
Cassie,
Show my passies. My passies.
And she got Patsy's.
Oh my God.
And Camira assisted by reading a nice little balloon wherever she put it. There you go sit there and look at the
Is that still
test all
peeling?
day. No, it's dried up.